Hi guys, this is Lisa with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be going over the Chevy MyLink system on a 2018 Impala Premier. This is your Chevy MyLink system. You got a couple different icons going on here. First one is your audio. When you click radio, it'll bring you to AM, FM, and XM radio. You can turn to different stations by pressing direct tune, depending on which one you want to go. You go back one more and you have your Bluetooth. So you can pair up to 6 different devices. Once your device is paired, you have options for all of this. You have access to your voice command, your contacts, recent calls, voicemails, all that fun stuff. Go back one more time, and projection. So this is new. As of 2017, they just added Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. As long as you have a phone that's compatible, whatever shows up on your phone screen will transfer over there. So navigation, Pandora, text messages, all that fun stuff. You also have standard navigation with this vehicle. So this is never going to go away. There's no update that needs to be done. It's just pretty much just your navigation system programmed in. Your settings icon will just go over your time, date, valet mode, different language, different vehicle settings. Weather. This is part of your XM subscription. So it gives your local weather either hourly or 5-day, depending on what you want to do through XM radio. Automated text messages. This is if your phone is paired. It'll go over your inbox. You'll send automated text messages if you like. OnStar. You get OnStar free for 1 month. That's your Wi-Fi, your navigation, all of that. And then traffic is also part of XM radio. That's just going to let you know if there's any accidents, any construction, anything you got to be aware of when you're driving on the highway or on a side road. And the last one is your shop icon. So you can purchase actually more apps for this back screen, and if you want to add that on there. And that is the Chevy MyLink system on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier.